Hello there, colorful creators. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Baby Yoda. You will need a few art supplies, including a piece of paper. I'm using marker paper, but you can use whatever paper you would like. Also a pencil with an eraser, and then also a few markers. You can also use colored pencils or crayons if you would like as well. To get started, go ahead and grab your pencil, and we are going to begin with a sketch of Baby Yoda first. So go ahead and in the middle of your paper, you are going to draw an oval. This can be kind of like the shape of a watermelon, but it's just going to be drawn very lightly, and this will be the head of Baby Yoda. Now that we have a nice oval created, you're going to go onto the bottom oval and you're going to draw kind of a rectangle that goes out. So that will be 2 lines on the side and then 1 line on the bottom. And this will be the cloak or robe of Baby Yoda. Then you will begin to draw kind of 2 little U rectangles that are going to be at the top and going to connect the head and the cloak at the top there together. And then from there, you're going to draw 2 lines down that will kind of be the overlapping effect of the robe that he is wearing. And then on the left side, you will draw a little side half U, and then on the right side, you will draw a circle right there as well. And this will be the arms of his cloak. Now we want to draw his little hands, and so I'm just going to draw 3 little fingers, and so these are just going to be 3 little connecting loops on the left side of it for his hand, and then I'm going to draw kind of a heart on the right side because I'm going to have Baby Yoda holding a lightsaber. So the little heart will be his fingers wrapping around the lightsaber handle. So behind that, you're going to draw a little rectangle with another skinny little rectangle sitting on top, and that will be the handle of the lightsaber. Then from there, you're going to draw 2 long straight lines that are going to go up, which will be the lightsaber going up from the handle. Now it's time to draw his ears. So you're going to want to go on the side of his head and draw a line extending out, and it will cross back behind the lightsaber, and then you're going to draw a curved line that will connect from the outside edge of the ear back to the side of the head, and that will create your ear that is going for Baby Yoda. Now you will want to repeat the same steps on the left side for his other ear. So draw that line straight out there, and then you're going to create a curved line down, connecting the outer ear to the side of the face. And now we will want to create Baby Yoda's big eyes by drawing a arch along each side of his face. So these will be the 2 big eyes here, and we're going to draw the top arch and then going to draw a bottom arch or half circle there that are going to connect those together. And then once we have those drawn, we will go into the middle of the eyes and draw a little half circle there. It kind of looks like a little smiley face. And then we will draw another little line in the middle there for his mouth, and then add some little half circles and a circle for the highlights in his eyes, because he always has little highlights in his eyes, and we will have those drawn in. And now I'm just adding some little arch detail effect to his forehead to kind of just show the little wrinkles that he has on his forehead. And now the last thing for our sketch, we want to draw just some little line detail in his ears. So these are just kind of curved lines on the inside of his ears, just to add a little bit more detail there. And now that we have those added, we're going to now move on to the outline. So now we are going to move on to the outline. So go ahead and grab your black marker, and I'm using one that has a nice pointed but round tip here that I'm working with, and you're going to go ahead and trace over all of the sketch lines that we drew out previously with our pencil. So this is going to give a very nice and clean look to our drawing today. You'll want to continue this step of tracing over all of your lines until you have your entire Baby Yoda completely outlined. It's always so helpful to create a beginning sketch using pencil. This way, you don't have the pressure of making it perfect the very first time. You can draw with a pencil, make mistakes, and change it as needed and fix those mistakes. And then whenever you're ready, you can go back over with your marker that is more permanent. So I always suggest drawing with a pencil beforehand before you start using a marker to draw with. As you can see, our Baby Yoda is really starting to come to life now. I can't wait until we start adding color and he really starts to look like Baby Yoda. Now that we have traced over all of our pencil sketches, you can go ahead and use your black marker to fill in the eyes. Now I'm making sure not to color in the highlights as I want those to remain white. So I'm just slowly and carefully filling in the back part of the eye to be completely black. One of my favorite parts about Baby Yoda is his adorable and cute little eyes. I think they're just so big and adorable, and I absolutely love them. Once you have your eyes completely filled in, you can go ahead and also fill in the handle of the lightsaber. I'm adding that to be black, so you can just color that in as well. With our outline complete now with our black marker, we are now going to switch to erasing our pencil lines that remain. So go ahead and grab that pencil and begin erasing all of those little pencil lines that may be left in the background. And this is why it's always very important as well to draw lightly on your sketches. That way you can erase them easily and change them if you make a mistake, but also we can use our pencil and they will easily be removed and erased. We don't want any of those pencil lines to show through underneath the color once we add that in. So that's why we just want to erase those and move those out of the way. And don't forget to brush away all those little nasty eraser boogers. You don't want any of those on your picture. So get those out of the way so that way you're ready to color in your little Baby Yoda. Okay, now that our paper is all clean and ready to go ahead and grab a green marker. I'm using a chisel tip brush on my marker, and you're just going to begin to color in your Baby Yoda. So again, don't rush this, go slow so that way you make sure that you keep all of the color inside of your black lines that you have worked so hard to create. Keep working until you have all of your Baby Yoda completely filled in with that green marker. Don't forget to color in those cute little hands as well. Now it's time to color the cloak, so go ahead and grab a brown marker and begin filling in the cloak with the brown marker color. I just love how warm and cozy Baby Yoda looks in his little cloak. It's always so adorable to me. And last but not least, we want to color in that lightsaber. So I selected a little bit different green than the green of Yoda, and I'm just going to fill that color in all the way on the lightsaber and just making sure to keep it inside of those lines again. Now with our Baby Yoda completely colored in, go ahead and pick up that black marker once again, and you can add just a few line details onto the cloak just to give a little bit more detail work and a little bit more movement. Make it look a little extra cozy and warm for him. So just draw a few lines starting at the top and bottom. They don't have to go all the way to the top and bottom, and there is no exact placement of those. Just add maybe 4 or 5 little lines there to your Yoda cloak. And there we have our Baby Yoda. He is just so cute. I absolutely love him. I hope you enjoyed creating him with me today, and I hope you also like and subscribe for more art videos and how to draw videos as well. See ya. Bye.